guys, it's expert dating coach Annabella Rose here with the dating coach Emre, and today we're going to be talking about psychological tricks to get her to trust you. Now, before we start, please click that cheeky subscribe button and turn on the notifications, as there's going to be so many more videos coming your way. Now, I am sure that you, like many other men, you have a few tricks up your sleeve that you always kind of unleash whenever you are out there trying to pick up girls. Now, the thing is that most of them are usually trial and error. If they work, then that's great, and the odds are on your side. Now, if they don't, better luck next time.
Some opportunities comes once in a lifetime.
Yes.
When they do, you need a solid game plan and tricks to get yourself that girl you want, actually. While you may be tricked to thinking that you can do this through your money or persistence, it is more organic and more straightforward than that. Gentlemen, get this. Psychological tricks, unlike others, have a lot to do with your personality and pampering a girl's psyche the right way to get her to trust you. So you can watch from my infield videos how it's done.
Oh yes, he's very good at this. You can definitely take some notes. Now, once you've watched those videos and when you've got to grips with those psychological tricks, you can use them to maintaining open body language. We all know that body language plays a significant role in passing across your message. Also, women who are attracted to a person's body language, it's a very key aspect. That is how kind of confident you stand. You take up the space and exude power. With an open body language, it's super easy for a woman to trust you, as it's showing that you have nothing to hide and you're open to anything. It's a golden trick. It is a woman magnet and gets us women to trust you very easily, as opposed to when you're having a closed off body language, because then we're a little bit skeptical.
Yes, guys, open your body language at all times. It will get them to trust you easily. Secondly, employ a positive personality trait. It is evident and direct. I mean, any woman in her right senses will trust and be attracted to a person with a bubbly personality as opposed to one with a somewhat frail and depressing character. The best thing is about the trick is that this is cheating proof. I mean, it's hard to fake a bubbly personality if you're a dark person and vice versa. It therefore makes it easy for women to trust you, or they are sure that they see is what they get. Consequently, it will work in your favor to be all lively, happy, and funny around women you're interested in attracting. It will do most of the work for you.
That is one of the main things that I look for, so it's very right. Thirdly, applying the female alpha trick will push you a notch further as far as getting a woman to trust you and also get attracted to you when it's concerned. Here is how it works. A woman perceives you as attractive and trustworthy whenever she sees you with another woman or in a bunch of women. It gives the impression of being wanted and desired. It pushes her subconsciously to want to get to know you even better. It's a rather easy trick to exude. Get out there with your female friends and get yourself a target to notice you. Also, her seeing you with other women around you labels you as trustworthy by default.
It's a straightaway social proof, actually, guys. The fourth one is use the reverse psychology hack. The trick works by the principle of getting someone to do something by initially telling them that they cannot. It's simple, yeah. It therefore works when you already have the attention and audience of the women in questions. Since you already know the result you want, use the advantage of having her attention to use the trick on her. In this case, trust is your goal. But guys, it's very important. Say this when you're smiling, otherwise it'll be a so serious statement. Tell her something like you like the kind that has trust issues, but remember to smile. Say it on a light note, not to get her offended. Telling her this will make her want to prove you wrong to whatever extent she can, which will get the results she wants.
Very smart.
Yeah. Gentlemen, as practical as it is getting the result you want, it is. The only limitation is the fact that the women in question are equally interested in you. So guys, the best thing with the psychological trick is the fact that they are an excellent way to form first impressions, which play a vital role in getting women attracted to you as well as the trust. Also, when you have mastered these psychological tricks, they become your second nature, which makes you a better person in general. Your social life ultimately improves. Hence, you can get women to trust and love you without even trying hard.
That's the dream, right?
Yeah.
That's the dream. With those tricks that we mentioned, you can master it too. Now, gents, that is all from us today. Do you want to get coached by us? All you need to do is click on the contact us link in the description box below and fill in the form. One of our very friendly customer service reps will be with you and respond to you in less than 24 hours. Please also check out our ebooks and our products and our services at karmalifestyles.com. And of course, if you have loved this video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I've been Annabella Rose, and this is the one and only Emre, and we will see you next time.
See you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.